In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Autods for Shopify. We are going to walk through the exact process of adding the Autods chat app inside your Shopify store, using your Shopify admin panel. This is a straightforward setup, and if you follow along step by step, you should be able to install it in just a couple of minutes. First, open Shopify admin. You can do this by going to the main Shopify website and signing into your merchant account, then accessing the admin dashboard. When you arrive, take a moment to make sure you are inside the correct store environment, since different stores might have different apps and settings. You should see the typical Shopify admin layout, with navigation options across the left side or at the top. Next, go to the Apps section. In the Shopify admin, this is usually located in the main menu area where you manage apps and integrations. The goal here is to reach the part of Shopify where you can browse apps, install new ones, and manage what is already connected to your store. Once you click into Apps, you should see options for finding applications or viewing installed ones. Now that you are in the Apps area, you are ready to search for the specific Autods chat app. Look for a search field or a way to browse available apps. This step matters because installing the correct application ensures you are setting up the right tool for your store. After that, search for Autods chat. Type the name into the search box exactly as it appears, focusing on Autods chat. As you type, Shopify should show suggestions or matching results. Wait until the app you want appears clearly in the search results. Make sure you are selecting the correct listing before you move on. Once you see the Autods chat result, click Install. This action tells Shopify that you want to connect the app to your store. The Install button may be located directly on the app listing page or in the search results detail view. Clicking Install is the step where the setup begins, so make sure you have selected the right app. At this point, you may be prompted with additional information or a confirmation screen. Shopify sometimes asks you to confirm permissions or review what the app will access. Read through any on-screen details calmly so you understand what the app is requesting. If you see options for authorizing installation, confirm them to proceed. After the installation completes, it is a good idea to return to the Apps section and check that Autods chat appears in your installed apps list. This helps confirm that the connection was successful. Depending on your store settings, the app may also show up as active or ready to configure. If there is a status indicator, look for an indicator that shows it is installed and connected. Next, prepare for the initial setup inside the app, since installing is just the beginning. Shopify may redirect you to the app page, or you might need to open the app from your Apps area. You should see a link or button that takes you into the app interface. From there, you can continue with any configuration steps that Autods chat requires for your store. Even though the exact configuration steps are inside the app itself, verifying the installation first keeps everything clear and prevents confusion later. Finally, once you have confirmed that Autods chat is installed, you can proceed with whatever actions you need for your Shopify workflow using the app. The important thing is that the installation process is complete and your store has the app connected. If you ever need to reinstall or update later, you can return to the same apps area and manage it there. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.